Kids' bedroom designs in 2024, creating dream spaces for your little ones. Designing a kid's bedroom is all about blending creativity with functionality, and in 2024, the trends are taking this balance to a whole new level. This year, the focus is on creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also foster a child's imagination, learning, and growth. From vibrant color palettes to multifunctional furniture, kids' bedroom designs in 2024 are all about creating environments that inspire and evolve with your child. One of the biggest trends in 2024 is the use of bold, vibrant colors. Gone are the days of sticking to traditional pinks and blues. Instead, think of bright yellows, rich greens, and deep purples. These colors are being used to create feature walls, add personality to furniture, and even bring playful energy through colorful accents like rugs, cushions, and curtains. The goal is to create a space that feels lively and exciting, reflecting the boundless energy of children. Another key trend is the incorporation of multifunctional furniture. As kids grow, their needs change, and having furniture that adapts with them is essential. In 2024, expect to see beds with built-in storage, desks that can be adjusted for height, and modular shelving that can be reconfigured as your child's interests evolve. These pieces not only maximize space, but also provide a practical solution for keeping the room organized and clutter-free. Nature-inspired themes are also making a strong appearance in kids' bedroom designs this year. Bringing elements of the outdoors inside, whether through botanical wallpapers, wooden furniture, or nature-themed decor, helps to create a calming and soothing environment. This connection to nature is believed to enhance creativity and focus, making it ideal for both playtime and study areas within the bedroom. In terms of layout, 2024 is all about creating distinct zones within the bedroom. These zones can include a cozy reading nook, a dedicated study area, and of course, plenty of space for play. By clearly defining these areas, you help your child develop routines and make the most out of their space. Adding elements like a small tent or canopy over a reading corner can also add a touch of magic, making the space feel like a little hideaway. Finally, personal touches are more important than ever in 2024. Whether it's through personalized wall art, custom bedding, or a DIY project like a hand-painted mural, these elements make the room truly feel like it belongs to your child. The emphasis is on creating a space that reflects their unique personality and interests, making the bedroom a place they love to spend time in. Kids' bedroom designs in 2024 are all about creativity, adaptability, and personal expression, ensuring that the space grows and evolves just as your child does.